turn cylinder right here. When I turn all the way that way, it's fine, but when I turn all the way back to the right, it started streaming fluid real heavy right through here. So I might put new seals in this turn cylinder right here. First two things we're going to do, you got a clamp right here. Going to loosen this clamp up a little bit. Not going to take it off, but loosen it up. This hydraulic hose is going to this color flow valve. We're going to disconnect this hose and cap it off. Always make sure you have some hydraulic caps to cap off your hoses with. Oh, there we go. This pretty good sized pipe wrench, but I still can't get it over there, so I'm gonna put it right here and screw it off. Get this hose out the way. Sometimes you need just a little bit of help to pull that casing off. That's what it looked like with the casing off of it. Gives a socket, take this big nut off so we can get this piston off and start putting our new seals back in. This 3/4 impact wouldn't do the job, so I went about this 1-inch impact, see what it'll do. If you ever have a problem getting this nut off, have Grandpa come by here. He said, take your hammer, whack it hard on all the sides. Then it broke free and came right off. You screw your nut off. Then the piston slide out. It's an O-ring right here. Take that off. Clean it up a little bit. Then you're ready to start putting seals back. Match them up. Get that O-ring back in now. Then next, put seals back on your pistons. See this seal, that's gone right there, that wiper seal. See, that's it. Whole packing right there. Then you got this piece. Clean it up a little bit. Use your pick if you need to. Clean it up. Put it back the same way it came. A wiper blade, usually on cylinders, that lip is going to be going to where it's pushing. Clip ring. Snap that back up on there. Rest of your packing. Just pull that out. Slide that on there like that. All them going in place. Check yourself. Old clip ring. All your old packing. So you got that big wide one right here. See how all of them is rounded off? See that V shape? That should be going to the back toward the cap, the end of your piston. And you got this one last one. Clean this cap off, this end cap. That's where it's gonna be. Then slide your piston back in place. Take your nut, tighten that back on out. Just put your casing back on there and screw that on. One thing to note, when you tighten that big nut on that piston, don't over tighten it. Don't get it too tight to where your packing will get smushed. So we use an impact gun, tighten it up, and then finish tightening it by hand. This is a old Prentice H model knuckle boom loader, and the packing seals that I have for this, according to the book, the same packing will go in a Prentice 410C knuckle boom loader. So if you're looking for the numbers on the packing, if you also have a G model knuckle boom, this packing will also fit a G model as well, and I have some information in the description.